Welcome back to the series where I try to explain every element on a periodic table and show off what they are used for. In this video, we will go over the elements 51 to 60, from antimony to neodymium. To start off, antimony is a metalloid most commonly used to make batteries when alloyed with lead. Ancient Egyptians used antimony 3 sulfide, also known as stibnite, in black eye makeup, though it was later found that antimony is actually toxic. Moreover, this element is also used to make flame-proof materials as a fire retardant. Next, we have tellurium, another metalloid that is commonly used in alloys, this time with copper and stainless steel used in machinery. It is also alloyed into lead to make it more acid resistant. Other uses of tellurium include semiconductors and blasting caps, which are essentially detonators for explosives. Next, we have iodine, a very important halogen that we need to survive. We contain around 20 milligrams of iodine, with most of it in our thyroid gland, which regulates our body temperature and physical and mental development. Some small amounts of iodine is present in table salt and disinfectants, and potassium iodine is used to make films. Next, we have xenon, a noble gas used in many high-intensity light sources, such as stadium lights and antibacterial lamps, because it flashes a very intense white light when electrically excited. Another use of this element is in ion engines, which is used in several satellites and hopefully bigger spacecraft in the future. Next, we have cesium, a metal with the second lowest melting temperature, at around 28 degrees, which is just a bit hotter than room temperature. It is most well known for the cesium clock, which is one of the most accurate atomic clocks, being off by 1 second every 15 million years, though its most common use is in drilling fluids in oil rigs. Next, we have barium, a soft metal that is used in fireworks as it gives off a green flame when burned. A common use of this element is in the compound of barium sulfate, which is used in rubber and plastic. Even though barium itself is toxic, this compound can be safely swallowed as it doesn't dissolve in water, and it absorbs X-ray well, making it a great use for imaging stomach and intestine X-rays. Next, we have lanthanum, a rare earth metal that is used to make carbon arc lighting, which is most commonly used for studio and motion picture lighting. It is also used to make mish metal, which is in lighters as the flint. The compound lanthana is used to make special glasses in telescopes and cameras. Next, we have cerium, another rare earth metal used to make mish metal for lighters. It can act as a catalyst when refining oil to speed up the process, and its most useful compound is cerium 3 oxide. It is used in self-cleaning oven walls, as this compound prevents the buildup of food stains. Next, we have praseodymium, a metal that is most commonly used to make yellow glass. More specifically, praseodymium 3 oxide is used to make didymium glass, which effectively filters out yellow light and infrared radiation, making a fantastic material for wielder and glassmaker goggles. Lastly, we have neodymium, another component to didymium glass as mentioned earlier. However, its most common use is in alloy with iron and boron, which creates a very strong permanent magnet. Neodymium glass is a pretty purple glass that is used in lasers, laser pointers, and laser eye surgeries. And there we have it, another 10 elements explained. I hope that y'all have learned something interesting today. Thank you for watching, and good luck with everything.